Yes, 4, 2 per team. So your batch is collecting cards for training and awareness. Yourself? Okay. Yourself? Regulatory compliances. Yourself? Okay. So I want to see who is going to collect the cards first. Explosion.
Residual current device, ethane grounding, personal protective equipment, load out, tag out, de-energized, live wire, circuit protection, insulation failure, ground fault, overcurrent, short circuit, electrogation, arc flash, shock risk, electrical hazards, ground fault circuit, interrupters, safe distance, authorized personnel, isolation, warning signage, residual current device.
Second one.
Now we are going to see risk and incident keywords: electrical shock, burn injury, fire hazard, explosion, arc blast, fatality, accident report, incident report, near miss, root cause analysis, risk mitigation.
Regulation companies, OSAH standard, NPA TOW, IEC standard, IEE guidelines, electric safety code, compliance audited, permit to work, standard operation procedure, safe to practice, hazard assessment.
Protective equipment and tools, insulated gloves, rubber bands, face shield, flame resistant clothing, voltage tester, earth tester, multimeter, circuit breaker, isolation transformer, surge protector, rubber mats.
Training and awareness, electrical safety training, emergency response, safety induction, safety drill, first aid, CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, safety
Signage.
awareness program, toolbox talk.
Okay. Thank you.